I've got a 2019 BMW X1. We're going to be replacing the transmission fluid. So in order to replace the transmission fluid, that's going to be right here. We're looking at the drain. Drain hole is going to be a T40, so we're going to be loosening that up. The moment we release that, once we take that out, it's going to take out some of the transmission fluid. It's not going to take all of it out. It will take out some. All right, we got our setup. We're going to be using this bucket to collect all the transmission fluid that's going to be coming out, so we can get an accurate reading as to how much there was in and verify how much it needed. All right, let's go ahead and start taking this out. Let me go ahead and fix that real quick. Go ahead and break it free. Now that that's been broken free, go ahead and slowly but surely, I'm going to start taking this out. Alright, so like I said earlier, right now all we're going to do is just let it drain out. We're going to let the fluid drain out, but if we want the whole entire fluid to come out, we're also going to have to be grabbing a special Allen socket. So we're going to be grabbing an Allen socket so we can make sure all of it comes out. Alright, as you can see now, from the overfilled, it's already done bleeding. Now we're going to take out the actual socket. In this case, what I'm using an H17 to take it out. So just by breaking it free just a small bit, you're going to see that it's going to start draining. So the more you let this loose, the more fluid will start coming out because it's being lowered. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take it out. Be very careful. One thing I'm going to let you know is the moment you let this go, all the fluid will be jumping down and it might jump on you, or you're going to probably let go and loose the bolt. And in my case, I'm going to make sure I can pull it out. It's going to make my hand dirty, but it's okay. We're going to let all this come out. Alright, now with all that coming out, now I can go on ahead and start letting it take its time. And here's the bolt, and that's the filler. Alright, now that it's finished, let's go on ahead and put this back in. In this case, what we're going to do, we're going to tighten this screw first, and we're going to just hand tighten the little screw, and then we're going to start filling it up. We're going to let the car warm up. Once it reaches its temperature, we're going to go ahead and take out the drain plug again, just the filler, and we're going to let it drain out whatever it believes it has in excess. Alright, let's go on ahead and start doing that.